With the land now filled with unruly chieftains, the people needed order. At Þingvellir in 930, Icelanders founded the Alþingi, a national assembly where laws were recited, disputes settled, and justice sought under the open sky. It is one of the oldest parliaments in the world. But Iceland gave the world more than laws. Here, stories were written down. Stories that preserved the Norse gods and the Viking age. Without Iceland, much of that world would be lost to humankind. Thanks to these writings, we know of Odin, Thor, and Loki, of Erik the Red, outlawed from both Norway and Iceland for murder, who sailed west and founded Greenland, and of his son, Leif Erikson, who discovered America 500 years before Christopher Columbus. Though many manuscripts were later seized and taken to Denmark, some have been recovered and are stored in Reykjavik today. The sagas are Iceland's treasure, preserving a memory of gods, heroes, and voyages that shaped the North. By the 13th century, however, Iceland was rich in stories, but poor in peace. Rival chieftain families fought bitterly for power. This was the age of the Sturlungs. The Sturlung clan, ambitious and ruthless, led an era of feuds and betrayals. Farms were burned. Brothers turned against each other, and whole regions were plunged into chaos. The violence weakened the island, and in 1262, weary of endless bloodshed, the people submitted to the King of Norway. The Commonwealth ended, and Iceland's independence was lost.